Hey guys, welcome back to the Outdoor Outpost. Do you need a budget-friendly expedition pack? Well, if you do, Teton may have entered your prayers with their Scout 3400. So stay tuned, we're going to do a quick review over this. So without further ado, roll that intro. Alright guys, so here we have the Teton's Scout 3400 Expedition Pack. Alright, I've had this for a couple of months now. I've used it a couple of times and so far I love it. It sits well. I haven't put it through its paces yet. We're going to do that on Saturday. We're going to go for a hike. I'm going to load it down. I'm going to spray it down. It comes with a built-in ring fly, which is access to the back. We'll get to that in a minute. We're going to spray it down to see how that does, how it reflects water, how it holds the weight, how it sits with around 40-45 pounds. So going back a couple of months now, the reason why I bought this is for camping, hunting, and backpacking. It fit the bill. Coming in around $64. The last time I checked, which was last night, was $64.19. This will be a link in the description if you decide to go ahead and purchase this. Just click on that description, go ahead and order it. It's definitely worth the money. It's on sale from $129, I believe, which not sure if I'd pay $129 for it, but I would pay more than $64 for it. So there's that. It comes with plenty of pockets. We're going to get into that a little bit later on, but right now, let's go over some specs. I'm going to be reading it off the card directly so that I don't, miss anything. So first, going over the warranty. And I'm going to quote this. It is a lifetime limited warranty. This warranty is extended to the original owner only and excludes normal wear and tear, i.e. zippers that wear out after extended use or misuse. Please follow care instructions if after inspection a product is determined to be by us to be defective in workmanship or material. We will repair it at our option at no cost to you. So there's that, guys. It is a lifetime warranty, but it only covers if they messed up. So take that for what it is. Alright? So the dimensions here is going to be 30 inches height, 17 inches wide, and 12 inches deep. Okay, right now I have a 0 degree sleeping bag in here. It's pretty massive, and it fits really well. I don't have a lot of room for wiggle here. They do have a bottom compartment here. The main compartment is meant to hold the sleeping bag only, which I don't like, but I guess, it is what it is. I'm not sure how this is going to hold up. I'm actually going to pack everything that I'm taking for camping in this bag. The tent, hunting gear, ammo, everything. We're going to do that on Saturday. I want to see if it's going to be able to hold up to that much weight and me to actually be able to pack this stuff. So we'll go over the packing list on Wednesday of what I'm going to be taking. It is made of 300D diamond ripstop. I don't know what that means. It's pretty durable, what I can tell. Diamond ripstop, everything that I did with the research, it fits. It's really, really tough. So right now I haven't had any issues with it, and you guys don't know me quite yet, but when you do, you'll know I pretty much just throw my stuff around. It's meant to be, thrown around, in my opinion, so that's what I'm going to do to it. So we'll see how this thing holds up over time, and if you want to, I will do an extended a review on it here in about 6 months, maybe right after camping season in October. I'll give you the review on how this thing held up. Alright, the torso, so back here it has your adjustable shoulder straps that are padded, your waist strap, which is also padded. Alright, and then the back length can be adjusted. Alright, so going over those specs really quick, the waist strap fits 26 to 60 inches, so it definitely has flexibility there. The shoulder straps go from 15 to 19.5 inches, so again, you have some give a leadway there. The entire pack is 55 liters, alright, which is 3,400 inches cubed, sorry. And the whole pack together weighs 4.5 pounds. Alright. And that's all I'm going to read off of this guy. Alright, so guys, jumping in to this, you have your top cover here, which just pops off. Right. You have your interior pouch and bag. Let me show you really quick how this works. It's got two covers, which I do like. The main one that goes in, and then your outer one, which covers it. So there's a little bit extra protection there. Have your little stretch straps here. You have an easily accessible pocket here that just velcros. I would use this for maps. I would use it for snacks, things like that. You have a bottom pouch here. It just unzips. And then, there you go. All this room here. That was like plenty of room to add the clothes I'm going to be taking. So we will see. We will see. On each side, it has your main pockets here. Right? They're pretty good size. They're not massive. And then you have your quick access water bottles, things like that right here. You have those on both sides. Alright. And then go into the back. Like I said before, you have your shoulder straps. They're padded. Your internal frame adjusts. The waist strap's padded. The lumbar support is padded. It is internal framed. That's also adjustable, which is nice. You have your rain flyer, which is going to be on the bottom. Right here. You just un-velcro and then it pulls out from right there, guys. It's yellow, which is ugly, in my opinion. But hey, it stops the rain, hopefully. So yeah, guys, that was just a quick review of what I've noticed so far. Just going over the specs of this guy. It doesn't come in the way of much warranty here, which is a downfall. I would like to see maybe a 1-year warranty on it. I mean, if they make their products good. I've never used anything from Teton, so if you have, let me know what you use and what you thought of it. My opinion on products is if you stand by your product, you should get a good warranty with it. Because you stand by it. You know nothing's going to happen in the next year. And it should give the leadway for people who are, like me, going to basically throw it around. I don't use warranties a lot, but I like them. And I like them because of a lot of different reasons. Let's say, like me, I have a lot of backpacks. So if I break one, it's not a huge deal. A lot of people don't. This may be the only pack that they have. A warranty would go that extra step, in my opinion. So there's that. If warranty is a big deal for you, then I mean it is what it is. It's $65 right now, so not a bad buy at all, even without a good warranty. So yeah, guys, let's skim through here, see if I missed anything. No, nothing at all. And this is from Teton. Like I said, there's going to be a link in the description if you guys want to buy it. So yeah, this is going to be our quick review on this. Nothing too intensive, just going over the specs of it. Saturday's going to be the real test for this guy to see exactly what it can stand. Because I'm going to put it through its paces and you guys get to watch me, throw it in creeks and stuff. So it's going to be fun stuff. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. I did a new intro for you guys. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think. It's sitting about 6 seconds right now. If that's too long, let me know. Alright, well, we're still playing with all this, guys. We're trying to figure out what works the best for you guys and what you enjoy. Yeah, if you liked it, smash that like button. If you disliked it, hit that dislike button. Either way, leave a comment. Let me know what I can do better, what you enjoyed about the video, and what you want to see in upcoming videos, guys. I do this for you. I have a lot of fun with it, but I do this to inform you guys, to give you guys some content. So I definitely want to know what you guys want to see in the future. But yeah, without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and wrap this up. Teton Scout 3400, pretty good pack so far. Hate the warranty, but we will see. Alright guys, so have a great day, and I will see you on Wednesday.